Alright, what's going on, guys? It's the Clouded Barber. Now, due to this whole COVID-19 thing, we haven't been really able to do much, to be honest with you. You know, our shop's closed, we can't work, we can't cut hair, we can't do anything really. I'm pulling my car out of the garage to get my summer tires for my Jeep Grand Cherokee, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be switching my winters to my summer rims. My summer rims are nice. They're not bad. They're like the SRT rims. Really nice. So I'm just gonna be going through that whole process real quick, you know, so at least I'm posting something and you guys can enjoy, you know, since you guys are probably sitting around doing not a whole bunch either. So it's gonna be removing the car, getting the tires, bringing them out, and just start banging out the tire change. So stay tuned, and hope you guys like this video. Alright guys, so basically what we're doing today is we're switching these winter tires, which have been absolutely amazing tires. Are they the Yokohamas Ice Guard IG5 1Vs? We're going to be switching them out with my summer rims. Switching them all four of them. So here goes nothing. Alright, well there are the tires, guys. Those are what I'm going to be replacing with the winter tires. Those are my summer tires. But in order to do that, we have to move this guy in order to get those guys. Okay, so now we got this guy out. Okay guys, so we got the tires out, took all the tires out. Woo! These are the tires that I'm putting on. I had to run to the store and get myself a torque wrench because I didn't have a torque wrench. This is a torque wrench, pretty dope. Check it out. Okay, so that's basically how you do it. We'll see how it looks at the end of it when everything's finally all put on and looking fresh. Hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, so finally the truck is done. Took me a little bit, but I did it. This is the final look of how it looks. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. It's not too long, but excuse me, I did the best I could. You know, I mean, since this whole COVID-19 thing is still going on, I mean, we got to do something to pass time, right? So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I know it's nothing to do with haircuts, but as I said, we're just trying to do stuff and stay consistent to pass time. And I hope you guys are staying safe. And I hope you guys continue to stay safe. And the more of us that follow protocol, guys, the better off we all are. The quicker this whole thing is over with and back to normal life we can all get back to, you know what I mean? So yeah, hope all you guys are good, your families are good, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. Don't forget to leave any comments down in the comment section. Smash me with a thumbs up. And yeah guys, we're all trying to survive here. We're all in this together, so stay alive.